Often we have to balance time and quality. I'm generally on the lookout for ways to speed up my workflow. I recently had this project where I wanted to animate the elements of a stock Illustrator file. I wanted to use it as my background. And I had to stop and think about this for a minute. Illustrator files can be kind of time consuming to organize. They have to be laid out a certain way to be usable in After Effects. Each element needs to have its own independent layer. It can't be nested under a master layer. I wondered if there was a quicker way that I could be organizing my files in Illustrator. Here's what I found out. Select your master layer. Click on the Layers menu drop down. Choose Release to Layers Sequence. Select all of your new layers and drag them out of your master layer. Now save your work. Import your Illustrator file to After Effects as a composition. I use this technique and 116 layers were created. Now to give each element some subtle animation, I Alt-clicked the rotation stopwatch and added a wiggle expression. Then I right-clicked and selected Copy Expression Only. Now you can select all and paste. I can throw this in my master composition and animate the scale. I hope this tip brings speed to your workflow so you can focus more on quality.